Hi, my name is Ryn Delpapa, and I am an artist on a mission, passionate about using creativity and innovation for planetary, community, and individual health. And that is taking place in a pilot program in Houston, Texas called Art for Climate Resilience. I'm currently at the Orange Show, where behind me there's art supplies for our current workshop called Climate Zine Storytelling, where we're integrating data, art, storytelling for the purpose of educating, empowering, and health. Something that we all need, something we all value, and something that can be applied on an individual, community, and planet scale. So by using arts and health, we are creating change in our local community while thinking globally.
As a matter of fact, and he built this structure out of things he found.
For us to create resiliency, sustainability by cultivating community.
One option, and you have a choice. You can choose how to live. You can choose what
is to have collaborative, co-produced solutions with communities.
Kind of ruined two of our major islands, and thank you.
And oftentimes they are built in Black and brown communities.
5 years to really give the services they're expected, and one of my favorite,
Okay, so now we got it folded. You're going to fold it over one more time, and you can see your booklet.
I'm Pete Gershon, and I'm the Director of Programming and Chief Curator here at the Orange Show Center for Visionary Art. Well, I think events like this are important because I feel like our society is getting more and more fragmented, and people can easily tend to feel isolated, and also people can feel very powerless in the face of some of the issues that are going on right now. So I think having an event like this where people can come and find knowledge and find community, and even if they're making something as small as producing a zine containing their thoughts about climate change, it at least is a concrete activity that people can do, and through doing that they can find a larger community and more resources.